Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading Corporation. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a Cozzoli F320 tabletop piston filler. It runs on 120 volt, is variable speed. It's furnished with two pistons. It has a 60cc, which is a 2-ounce piston, as well as a 30cc piston. Has a long fill nozzle, as you can see there. It's for a tabletop design. It's foot pedal activated. Each time you hit the pedal, it'll make one stroke. And if you know the Cozzolis, the piston has no seals in it. It is metal to metal. We do have a food grade lubricant inside the piston so they don't become damaged. We have lots of fillers in our stock: piston, vacuum, pressure, gravity, all types. We do hope you'll visit our website and come and see what we have to offer. Thanks for joining us today for this video, and we look forward to seeing you. Our website, once again, www.champtrading.com. See you soon.